For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Folks, on behalf of the driver and myself, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. Disneyland Park is open till 12 o'clock midnight. Disney's California Adventure to 11 p.m. The tram services will continue 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Stay seated, folks, on scheduled stop. Keep the doors closed. Thank you. Traffic here. You're clear.
We are now en route to the Disneyland Resort Main Entrance Plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend,
And driver here.
tickets are an especially good value. Welcome back to our Magic Key holders. Unlock more magic today with your pass by checking the Magic Key portal on the Disneyland app for your latest discounts and special offerings under Extras Unlocked. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme park, the esplanade between the parks, or in the downtown Disney district. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland's main entrance. Just ahead is the downtown Disney district, with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, watch your steps, and exit to the driver's left. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort.
Stay seated, folks. Wait for the tram to make a full complete stop and exit to the driver's left-hand side. Please wait. Thank you. Alright, folks, we're going to watch step exit towards the driver's left-hand side only.
you're clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Sorry, you're good. Thank you, man. Just pass.
If you'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today, just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. You can enjoy magic all year round by upgrading via the official Disneyland app before the end of the day. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you please observe this speed limit and yield the right-of-way to Disneyland Resort vehicles, whether you're walking or driving. We are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram stop, which serves the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step, exiting to the driver's right. On behalf of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. Once in your car, please be sure to buckle up and have a happy and safe journey home.
Once again, for our friends on board, please remain seated with those doors closed until the tram comes to a full and complete stop. Once I've indicated that it's safe to exit, you'll be exiting towards the driver's right-hand side only. Please wait. Please gather all your belongings, lower your head, watch your step as you exit towards the driver's right. Lower your head, watch your step.
Thank you.
Why?